birthday, Mama!
Hi, Ma! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day. We miss you so much. And Maxie and Mabis always telling stories about you. Miss ka na namin. Sana makita ka na namin ulit. And then, Maxie have to say something.
Happy birthday, Mama. You know, I talk about you with my friends. I think one of them said you're a nice grandma now.
Okay. What about Yashi?
Happy birthday, Mama! Hope ko po na in-enjoy niyo yung video na ginawa ko po sa inyo. Pati I hope na okay lang po kayo dyan sa US at constantly mag-improve ka dyan at keep your health po. Yun lang.
Okay. Happy birthday, Mama! We miss you. We hope to see you soon in God's perfect time. You can visit with Granddad in the Philippines. We always pray for your health. Now that you're 60 years old, super bata, we hope you stay healthy. Enjoy life. I think this is the perfect time for you to enjoy. And we miss you dearly again. We hope to see you soon. Bye, Ma. Happy
Bye, Ma.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Love you.
birthday.
We love you so much.